In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize pipeline stages in Nutshell CRM. If you want your sales process to be clear, consistent, and easy for your team to follow, customizing your pipeline stages is a great place to start. I'll walk you through how to get to your pipelines, open the editor, add a new stage, and then save or activate your changes. I'll also share a few tips along the way so you can make smart choices as you set things up. First, open Nutshell CRM and log in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Sales, then choose Pipelines. This brings you to the page where all your pipelines live. You'll typically see two sections: active pipelines, which are currently in use with real leads, and draft pipelines, which you're still designing or adjusting behind the scenes. Drafts are helpful when you want to fine-tune your process without affecting live deals. Next, find the pipeline you want to change. If you're updating an active pipeline, remember that the edits you make can impact what your team sees in real time. If you're working on a draft, you can take your time and review everything before it goes live. When you've identified the right pipeline, click the three-dot menu to the right of its name and select Edit. This opens the pipeline editor where you'll make your changes. Now let's add a new stage. Look for the option that says plus Add New Stage and click it. Give your stage a clear, descriptive name that matches your sales motion. Common examples include Qualified, Proposal, and Negotiation. Choose terms your team already uses so everyone understands exactly where a deal stands. Keep names concise and action-oriented, and try to avoid jargon that could mean different things to different people. Once you've added the stage and you're satisfied with your updates, it's time to save your work. Click to save your changes so they're stored. If you edited a draft pipeline, you'll also have the option to activate it when you're confident it's ready for real leads. Activation puts the pipeline into use, so take a moment to review the spelling, the order of your stages, and that the names match your team's process before you flip the switch. That's it. You've navigated to your pipelines, opened the editor, added a new stage, and saved or activated the pipeline. With a few thoughtful names and a clean structure, your team will have a smoother path to move deals forward. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.